Okay, now what's the name of it?
Toby and Bill's Revenge of Halloween.
Okay, so go ahead and start.
Salty was going. Well, Salty was going to Toby and Bill how they were feeling, but there was a special called hello. You have to pick Alfie about the dog. Okay. So Alfie was waiting at the dock for them to arrive. Toby and Bill were off. And when they arrived, they just collect him and and they were on their way, and they made it, and Alfie was unloaded from his load, and the lower was weird, and Alfie was free. The end.
That's it?